what love the Father has lavished upon us that we should be called children of God. And that is what we are.
100 times a day, you'll get tired of my voice. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
Hi, I'm Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you joined me for this one today. I am cleaning my very favorite room in the house. The kitchen has always been my favorite room. I have lots of childhood memories in my grandma's kitchen, in my own family's kitchen, and even as an adult, I love spending time in the kitchen, and it is the room I get the most joy out of cleaning and having everything wiped down and fresh. So I'm glad you've joined me for this After Dark Clean with me. I'll let you listen to the music and clean along with me.
Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know.
I decided to take just a minute to organize these drawers. They had been a mess, and my kids do help put things away when we're done washing dishes. They definitely have a hand in putting things back in the drawer, and so you can imagine it can be hard to keep things organized at times. Well, I ended up having these spare drawer organizers, so I decided to put them to use and see if we could improve upon the organization in these drawers. Let me know what you think. Did we make an improvement? Do you think it's going to stay this way? What do you do to make your drawers actually stay how you put them?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 I really hope you love me too.
It's always nice to take the time to actually put the dishes away and not just use them out of the dishwasher or the drainer. So I'm taking just a minute to put my plates and everything back in their places. A while back, I did go through and declutter my cabinets, but as you can see, they're very full. I feel like decluttering cabinets is a constant work in progress, and I definitely have to keep an eye on that so that they don't get crammed full of stuff again. Right now, I think we have a pretty functional system going on, so I'm happy with it. decided to fill up our fruit bowl for tomorrow. We love to have apples, oranges, and bananas within reach, and I knew we had a whole lot in the fridge right now, so I went ahead and pulled out a few to have on the counter in our fruit bowl in arm's reach.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
Thank you so much for joining me for this one today. It is so nice to get the kitchen clean. It is my favorite room in the house, and I'm enjoying my fresh space. If you want to watch more inspiration on my channel, there are a couple cleaning videos here for you, and I hope you will click on one of them and leave me a comment with your favorite part.
Eyes on the free